Whiteboard application is your digital tool for brainstorming and collaboration. This tutorial provides essential instructions on how to use it for effective collaboration. Pinch to zoom. Use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Multi-touch. Tap the Multi button to enable the feature. Multiple users can draw or write on the canvas at the same time using their fingers or styluses. Shape recognition. Tap Smart Shape button to enable the feature. Automatically corrects hand-drawn shapes into precise geometric forms. Standard word transcription. Tap Standard word transcription button to enable the feature. The system recognizes handwritten input and converts it into neatly typed text. Now we support 4 language transcriptions: English, Chinese, Japanese, and Arabic.